Guys, welcome back to the Jakoah Ninja channel. Today, we're back with another train video! And today's train video is going to be about this engine. So, it's a pretty cool engine, to be honest. This engine was featured in the outdoor video. Then it pooped out and broke. And I'm like, ugh, not cool. So, what was wrong with it, there was something in the tender I had to fix, the underneath frames. What's cool about this layout is I've been working on it, and you can look underneath. So you see that screw right there? There used to be a metal plate right there. A metal frame. And there was also one on this end. But you can't see it because of the foam. There used to be two of them, and I had to take them both out because they were bad. So let's see. They were like bad frames. This is what they look like. This is actually from this engine. It's right there. So today we're going to be running this engine with all these freight cars. We have rocks in that one, and the other two are empty. So now, it's time to go.
Who I am, I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up on the top, man, I'm calculated. My mind's a weapon, my body is the engine. I'm never second guessing, I just do what I was destined. Cause I feel I got the blessing, persistence and obsession. That's how you keep progressing, I already learned that lesson, yeah.